goodness. It's so good to see you, Naomi.
Is this Sister Luntz?
It is. Who's this?
Hola, Melanie.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
I'm so thankful that you cared about me the way you did.
Because it's blessed my life.
I just wanted to call you, and I just wanted to say thanks for sending me emails and for being there for me throughout my whole mission and throughout Young Women's.
Thank you. That means so much to me.
When I came here, I didn't know any English. My young women leader helped me a lot. She was trying to learn Spanish, and I was trying to learn English. We were both helping each other. That was very meaningful to me.
She really influenced my life and really influenced who I am today.
And I just thought it was really important for her to know that impact on my life.
I call that a gospel payday. When you get a phone call from someone that you loved so much and you haven't seen for so long.
Isn't that amazing? We love our young women leaders. We would like to hear how they've influenced your life, whether you're a young woman now or a young woman long ago. So here's our next invitation. Using #StriveToBe, post on social media how your young woman leader has blessed your life. And then if you can, reach out. Tell her what she means to you. We are excited to read your posts, and we will see you in November.
That was pretty cool.